Hello, welcome to Kate Diction Services. Yeah, that's me, that's Kate. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm showing you my word blended box designs this morning. The idea was just coming because school is about to resume, so I have to make some nice stuff for my nursery classes. So this A to Z, different circles, different colors, very beautiful. Just made them with some cartons and cut them all off gum with cardboard. So you're going to see my word blending is for three letter sounds. Yeah, so with this your children or your class can be able to blend. You can use some pictures side by side and ask them to pick the first sound to the second sound and to the last sound. Right here you're gonna see I was forming a three letter sound that's eh, te, which is met. I met him at my house. So that's just four word blending. So there are actually many other types you're gonna see here. I also made um four little sounds. This was with pink color, very beautiful pink color right here. I think I was forming a word HAVE, which is have. So if you want to learn how to make this, please just send me a message personally, then or drop a message in my inbox. Then I'll be able to teach you and guide you on how to do it. So very simple. If you're a teacher out there and you are kind of very innovational when it comes to teaching children, there are many ideas that just come to your mind to make your children understand. You need to do this. Look at different types of word blending. I made all the types for groups so that in case you want to do little competition in the class or for large classes, you can use this. So one for each group, maybe in four groups if your kids are more. So thank you so much. This is K Diction Services, running for private tutoring and for other classes for schools. Thank you. Cheers.